Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the latest POV experience with Aziz Drives. As you can tell, I'm driving a pretty fast car. It's the Porsche 911 992 Turbo S, and we are on the German Autobahn. And the sign here says it's free to drive as fast as we want, and that is exactly what we're going to do. Let me give you the stats. 650 horsepower, 800 newton meters of torque out of a 3.7 liter Flat Six engine. And it's a magnificent car. It looks absolutely beautiful. If you want to check out our review on it, make sure you get the link into the description, or just wait until the end of the video. And we have 800 newton meters of torque, and it should accelerate the car from 0 to 100 kph in 2.7 seconds. Because we want to find out if that is really true, we got our timing gear. So for that, we have to put the car in Sport Plus. I already did my prayer. And I will set the timing gear up to be ready. All right, that is going to be the drag meter, the speed, and I would say let's stop here. We are in automatic mode and Sport Plus, and everything works. So let me check. Last checks, good. Set to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Wow! Wow! 2.6 seconds to fucking 100! Holy shit! 250! 270! 280! 300! Holy fuck! Holy shit! Oh my god, I've never been at 300 that fast in my entire life. This was the sickest acceleration that I have ever seen, that I've ever witnessed. 0 to 200 took 8.66 motherfucking seconds. 8.66, man. Holy shit. 2.6 seconds to 100. 6.08 seconds to 200, from 100 to 200. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh my god. Oh my god, this car. Oh my god. This is absolutely sick. Absolutely sick. Let me do it one more time. From 100 to 200, because I mean, this is really ridiculous. This is unimaginable fast. All right, so you see me driving 100, okay? Look at that now. Third gear. Oh my god. Unimaginable fast. This is unimaginable fast, man. This is incredible. It's absolutely incredible. Oh my god, man. It took 6.33 seconds again from 100 to 200. I really struggle to find words for it, because this is literally the sickest car I have ever driven on the Autobahn. It is so unimaginable fast. It's really not even funny anymore. It's just so fast. Everything it does is just uncontrollably, unimaginably fast. And I've driven so many cars, but to do a 300 like it was nothing, it's just unheard of. Okay, so driving 80, 90, look at that. It's just so incredibly fast. 230, 240, 260, 270, 280, 300. to lift. I had to lift. Oh my God. 5.91 seconds this time from 100 to 200. Friends, oh my God, man. Oh my God. I just did a 320 kph uphill, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. I struggle to find words. This is such an incredible feeling. What a stable, unimaginable beast this 911 is. I have never ever felt so safe with a car driving fast in my entire life. This is the best experience I ever had. I swear to God, it is so incredible. And I was really nervous before I did that now, because I drove a Jaguar F-Type R, for example. There's a video on the YouTube channel if you want to check out. I can put it into the description, where we drove 300. That didn't feel nowhere as safe as with this car. And let me tell you something, it is the convertible, don't forget that. It's not even the coupe. The most incredible drive ever. This was absolutely the pinnacle of what I've experienced in terms of acceleration. It's unheard of. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. It's absolutely insane. Oh my God. Let's do a 0 to 200 one more time to find out how it is when you do it a couple of times, because why not? Why not? This is just so sick. It's just so sick. It's so fast. Oh my God, it's so fast. Okay, let's reset everything. Speed, all right. Okay, seems to be good. Let's stop here. Everything works. Speed. 3, 2, 1. Pow! 200. 0 to 200 took 9.05 seconds. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is just ridiculous. It's absolutely, it's sick. It's just oh my God, man. Oh my God, I can't believe we just did that. I can't believe we just did that. Absolutely incredible experience. What a machine this car is. Unheard of. Unheard of. What an incredible, incredible machine this is. Oh my God, we have to let it cool off a little bit, because that was of course really fast. It's of course also fast. I mean, even though this is a Porsche, we need to be respectful with the car. They need to cool off a little bit. They need to do all of that stuff. Cars are cars, you know. You need to treat them right. You need to treat them good, especially when you do drives like this. Cool off the brakes, cool off the engine. Just, yeah, it's really important to do that. It really is. And I think we will finish the video, because I won't drive that fast anymore. I'm very happy I could do that. And please, I wish you the best. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to support the effort. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one, my friends. Goodbye.